Nagia, akuphi amanga wami. Ndanixelela. I told you guys ukuthi when I'm looking at uPhilisiwe, I'm looking at Guluvagazi. And then what did you guys say? Sikuphi-ke manje? Nangu-ke sesekabulala umuntu. An entire human being from uNgcwele wasesontweni siyathandaza siyakhuleka Nkosi sisize bawo nakho-ke. What did I say to you? Ndanixelela. I think it was a week before. Okay, it was not a week. Okay, last week. Ngitshelile ngathi mina lo muntu lo I foresee her having the principal, not the principalities, but the characters of Mthunzi in her. She's just not showing it now. Now the problem is the aboguluva about two that have same izono that cannot even disclose to people. We should, even if uPhilisiwe wants to walk out of this relationship, she cannot, because now umthunzi uyamazela we Mayiza. I was about to say ngicela ho ngomthunzi ngicela nje please can you pen a break, but I'm like, what? You played this so well. Okay, anyway, asiqale ekuqaleni. So umthunzi Mayiza was due to give imali ka-0 on today. Now he goes to this other guy who he wanted money, and the guy was like, no, when are you just a thug and you will never change your ways, you just lo or whoever you are. And then at abafana abeze kuyena. Now the question is, did they agree ukuthi bamshaye? Because he ended up somewhere saying ukuthi ngicela ninganonzakalisi, meaning that please don't hurt me. So did he have a choice of him being hurt or not? So now I'm just wondering if that was pre-planned. Andimthembi nomthunzi, like andimthembi at all. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Sanbanan Avshe Molweni minjani hivukile hingongwina. So namuhla kanong kwa hina wa Scandal hikuma kura aku busy aku gazi aku maskema aku maroba aku hey lalela aku busy. Okay, before siqedelela ngomthunzi, okay, let's qede ngomthunzi. Then umthunzi did not find zeros, that uyakhwaza lapha uthi hey 000, then to a point where u0 decided, okay, ungenza slima, let me go to your girlfriend, and then when I get there I know I'll get your attention. He goes to the girlfriend, asks girlfriend, where is your boyfriend? I don't know. Then he said, call your boyfriend. She calls the boyfriend, and then boyfriend appears. Boyfriend, who is Mthunzi, appears bamonzakalisa ebusweni, unegazi liyachichima everywhere from the nose to the mouth, every yonke into uyachichima igazi. And now the girlfriend now is shocked, who is uPhilisiwe. Kodwa ke inkinga ukuthi uPhilisiwe bamphethe ngompu ngalo guy kuthiwa u0 athi lalela ngiyoqeda ngakhe. Okay, they had the wrestle between the two of them, where umpu ended up esandleni saka0, and then bese siyaqhuma ispa. Masiqhuma ke lapho wagcina ke kadubulekile umthunzi. And then bese u0 athi uyavalelisa ke kumthunzi ukuthi lalela siyabonga kuphelile njengawe. Uguluvakazi took ihasi athi ekhanda mpo wawela phansi. Bese uyabuza, Nkosi yami ushonile, cabangani wena uchitha igazi liphansi like yipool. Uyabuza ukuthi yay. So, as we are still shocked about that, nalelinye igazi elichithekile ke uVictor. Now, Victor is due to give uTalita imali, and the way uTalita is going about it, it's not a professional way or a proper way. It's going the blackmailing way. Talita calls Victor and say, I need you to come to my place so that and then Victor was like, I've got nothing to discuss with you. And they said, unless if we have to go back to December 2022 and then have to recheck what has happened on that day, of which is the day Kitsi sink. So there's a lot you and I need to discuss. Then again, I need you to come to my place, as in yesterday. Victor comes to Talita's place. Talita started explaining how she got the information from the archives that were in Betchafela and were due to be deleted or hadibereki, like it's simple, so which means it's information that was not due to be retrieved. And then now, from the look of things, when you look at Victor's face, you can see he is shaking and trembling. Bona, I don't know what to do next because this looks like it's true. So, Victor, according to Talita, ubulaile musadi ya hai, ka kotsi ya koloi, And then he lied about it and said, Musadi hai utipolaile yena self. Unfortunately, according to the CCTV from Bechafela, it shows that Victor was the driver on the day, which is information that was never disclosed. Now, what does Talita now want? She's saying that she's going to take this information, go and disclose it to the new now current girlfriend, who is Mavutela, who Victor is pretending musadi, and then nobody wants him because uakula. You get it? Right. So now Victor is a bit June, July, because hanya ke gore information it's kontle. Now the question is, did he actually do it, and how did he execute that? We don't know that information as yet. However, what we know is that he looks guilty. He was then given a account number to go ayoirang akenye zvidodombedzwa zvote that is needed on that new account number, then atele madi ao that is requested. That happened while he was with Umavutela, and then he got a phone call that was explaining that I will give you contact the actual account number. You need to go now and send the money. Agajampi Victor, and then they were supposed to have a date. Umavutela, he is just not about it. On the other hand, Mama ka poetic sama fellow. Even when she found out this person they are still doing the joint lousy wedding, and Tiri is not about to give up because Tiri found out her name was being bird mouth on the whatever fizzy restaurant or whatever thing that she wanted. Now the cards are back. The cards looks like umamaga poet umkapi. Oh guys, this friendship, it's so toxic, and umamaga poet agaiboni lento, she keeps like forgiving and going back, and I don't understand why is she forgiving and going back. Now poet looks at the cards and is like, no, but this invitation card looks like it's your and Divert's wedding, and then my mom and nomuntu wake is like bakapha wena. They are the star of the show. The fontencan oh guys yini kodwa ke Mathobela did say, you know what, you can't have double wedding new two at the same time. It has never happened before, but but now it looks like it's going to bite somebody's fingers. And I'm just sitting here, I'm like, come here again, just do your thing. Do you think get the venue, get your wedding date, get married? Because she's showing you Guti, she's there to sabotage. What do you have to lose? She does not have the money. The husband doesn't want. Just let your eyes diba emotional gwamina nje about this thing.